In this video, we will be teaching you the proper steps you need to do in order to properly install a graphics card inside your computer. Warning: before purchasing your graphics card, make sure your power supply can supply the power needed by the graphics card. We went with the Radeon HD 4870. We chose this because we had it on hand and it was okay if we fried it. Once ready, clear the way so you can easily insert your graphics card and remove the bracket plates so you can actually install the card. With both of these done, you can easily install your graphics card. Once your graphics card is seated, install the power cables so you can actually use your graphics card. The power cables may be hard to install, but they are important to install. And try not to really touch the uncovered parts of the graphics card or you may fry it. Once the graphics card and the power cables are inserted and correctly seated, screw the graphics card into the case so when the case is moved, the graphics card won't move around. Once everything is correctly installed, stand your PC up if it is not already vertical. Next, what you want to do is install your display cables onto the graphics card, not the motherboard, because if you install your cable on the motherboard, nothing will show up. If your graphics card has a specific port which you do not have the cable for, you can use an adapter like we did. Once you've installed the cables on the graphics card, you want to plug the opposite end of the video cable into your monitor and correctly seat it with the screws. Now once everything is installed correctly, power on your PC and power on your monitor and check if something is displayed. If not, you might have done something wrong. Rewind the video and find what you did wrong, only if you did something wrong.